everyone, it's Lisa from DAnaugustnails. Welcome back to the channel. You guys, look at my mom's nails. Like, what does she do? Run them through the cheese grater. Honestly, look at the grooves. Look at how it's dug in. Okay, to be fair, I keep getting to her late. That one finger is always busted, that one index finger, but dang. Ooh, so this is after like product removal, applying a tip to that index finger, prep, we're all done. And let me just tell you, oh child, listen. Anyway, we're going in with trusty number 4, but instead of like last time when I just applied the dark pink and then number 4 like I normally did, I just applied Gerson's number 4, which we can agree is like the perfect nude for my mom, right? I applied it on all the fingers. So we went with one bead just under the cuticle. We're doing a bit of a backfill here. My brush is doused in base coat, and I went from center cuticle all the way to the left side wall, all the way down to the free edge, up to center cuticle, right side wall, all the way down to the free edge. And I'm just making sure that a thinner coat, especially on the side wall of the polygel, is covering. And I keep most of the product focused in the center because that's where we're going to be needing our apex. And every time you see me pull my brush away, like I've discussed this in previous videos, like I'm just adding a bit more base coat. Now this happens to be the softest polygel. I guess it has to do with the pigment they added to create the opacity or whatever, but here I go, competing with that already, and then the heat from her body, and then the adding of the base coat, which as you can imagine makes the product softer. Anyway, I'm going from finger to finger, hand to hand, lamp on low heat mode. We've cured for 60 seconds, okay? And did I need to include 2 fingers? No. But the application of this tip, y'all, get into it. So, okay, bead under the cuticle, all the way up to center cuticle, left side wall, thin application, down to the free edge. Yeah. And so, I don't know, I enjoy doing my mom's nails. Does she pay me? Could she pay me? She probably could. She refuses to. I'm going to call my lawyers about it. It'll be handled. Other than that, this is just this is just good fun for the both of us. But yeah, I had to include this index, y'all. Oof, look at how good. Too good. So all the nails are cured. Some of them a little wonkier than usual. And we're cleansing top side, bottom side, and then we're going to do finish filing. That's going to be with my drill, with my file, and that's going to be off camera. I have so many filing videos, but I mean, if y'all want to see an updated one, let me know. But there she blows, y'all. So here is the look that we will be creating. Nails by Betty Chanel. Y'all go check her out. I followed her on IG and she instantly liked my photos. Are you kidding? Supportive, beautiful queen. That's all I have to say about it. So I did some base coat, and then we're going in with colors that are moving way too fast for me to say. But it was Youngnails French, Santa's Mousse, this color here from Model 1s, and then Mocha number 1 and number 6 in the mizhse Gel Polish series. So we're coming in with Model 1's Santa's Mousse. And I remember getting this color way back when, like 2019. Oh, when she was just a newbie, honey. And it was like a part of like a collection of Christmas colors that they had done. Model 1s has some of the best formula that I've ever seen. Do I agree with how they jacked up the solid cream? No. But you got to admit the opacity here. I did one coat, just the one coat of Santa's Mousse. So I created the the smile line with my Mareca detail brush, got it as nice as I needed it to, busted out that polish brush and just added coats of it. And then I came back in with the detail brush and I just kind of made sure that there was product on the sidewalls. And yeah, you guys, one coat coverage. The opacity here is for real. Fully curing that nail in there for 60 seconds. And obviously I added the matte top coat ahead of time so that I could be able to draw this line without the polish slipping and sliding. Like gel paint won't move, but polish, gel polish and its consistency, its watery consistency will be moving on you. So this is Young Nails French. I know. Isn't it nice? Did I have to do 2 coats of this? I can't recall. I think I did. I think I did do two coats of this. It's just so nice, but I mean, Young Nails has got no opacity. Oh my gosh, babe, she's see-through. Yes, I can see that clearly. We did 2 coats of that. Yeah, Young Nails is see-through. They need to go back to the drawing board and draw up a new gel polish thing. So that last color was Mocha Series number 1. This is Mocha Series number 6. It's a series of browns, and it goes kind of from like a khaki all the way to a deep brown, this being the deepest brown, I think. Something in between. And then lastly, we'll do this color for Model 1s, which look at how they screwed this. Come on. They're old solid cream, 1 coat. Let me just tell you about it. I'd do 2 coats on this just to hit it with the real, you know? Anyway, every nail is cured for 60 seconds. If I had to do 2 coats, I'm curing for 60 seconds in between coats. And then I'm just taking the gel polish and I am mimicking what Tati created. Now, when she did this, and please go check out her IG, when she did this, she did it and she said it was, it was croc, and it definitely is croc. It's also, comparable to sweaternails, at least the way I'm doing it. But what I really loved is her color choice, warm tones, fall vibes, so chic, the nude, the long nails. It was just, I was so happy to recreate. So as you can see, it's a combination of the brush and the dotting tool. And I was like, hold on, I'm gonna just use the dotting tool. And then I'm taking, this is not clear acrylic. You could use clear acrylic. I'm just using Mia Secret's Multi-Balance because it has the least amount of pigment there ever was given to an acrylic that's calling itself something other than clear, and it didn't do anything. It didn't affect the color in any way. I keep adding acrylic until I see the entire bit of wet polish go matte, and then I cure for 60 seconds, actually 2 minutes in the lamp. And then I'm doing the same thing with the Young Nails French. It's such a good color to be so dang light, but I guess you could use it for something different. Ooh, like those Korean jelly nails, this would probably be really good for. But did y'all see how I kept the length on my mom's nails? I was like, do you want me to take it down? She was like, nope. Excuse me, ma'am. She certainly don't pay me. Talking about leave the length there. Go by. I kept it though, because we all know she could take me out. My mama could take me out today, tomorrow, next year from the grave. She possesses that power. So yeah, y'all, this is pretty much the process. I don't know if Tati has a channel. If she does, I will link it in the description, but she's fantastic. And so last, it's just to cleanse the nail, right? Get all that acrylic off there and then add some cuticle and then boom, bada bing, she's done. So here goes the finished look, you guys. I'm not going to do a product list because my favorite products be out and about, non-existent, but I love you guys for watching. Shout outs to Tati. I love y'all for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See y'all in the next one. Bye.